Hello YouTube, Hippie here, 1401. We are on the 11th day. Hope I can keep these counts. What did we work on today? We worked on the floor, finished closet walls, the electrician, plumber, AC guy came through, met with the decorator. Kind of our overseer planner for this project. Let's see, lighting's not real good. Let me see, what if I turn this one? Oh, hey, much better, much better. Tired, been a long day. Hadn't been running the roads. Those days, the days that I don't get to run roads, that I actually got to be here working a little bit harder. But, you know, it's what you do. It's what you do. She's in there now with the guy that's building her cabinets. And I guess I realized Kathy's going to be watching this, so hello, Kathy. I'll do you a shout out, give you your name of your business if you want me to. I guess that's something I need to start doing, is asking people if they want a shout out. I know I don't have a lot of subscribers right now, but most all of us, we're doing what we're doing, and we'll be doing it for years. Remodeling, trim carpenter, decorating, you know, electricians, plumbers. Once we kind of learn how to do this and we're running our own thing, that's pretty much what we do for a good while. I don't think we really had just a couple of us today. Had some doctor's appointments. Everybody else had doctor's appointments, so I'll turn you around and show you this other stuff. He's screwing the floor down, so that's what all the noise is. See? Right back. No surprises. Nothing new. Took a little more out of this wall, just so people know it's just temporary. Plus we reused all the studs. Oh, and that was the other thing. That was the other thing with this top plate, with the exception of the top plate and bottom plate, I used all the old wood. Like I said, not anything back here. You've seen all that. We're gonna change a couple door sizes. I'll show you that later. And here's how far we've gotten with the floor. And I'm probably gonna cut to another video that I recorded earlier. But you know, actually, I think I can just show it to you now. I'll let I'll watch Chris run a few more screws in. Love those impact guns. They make a lot of noise, but they do their job. That's your last one. How many more you got?
About 6 screws.
About 6 screws. Y'all get to listen to 6 screws. And him point his tail at us. Hey, give me a moment and then I'll be done. Yeah. We put treated all in this section. Up to, let's see, where's my finger? There. It's treated from there to there. And that's just because what we saw with the older floor. There wasn't any damage, but it just seemed like it was a good thing to do. Plus we're so low to dirt right there. I just felt like it was a good idea. We put blocking, screwed these in 2 at a time. Put screws in it so we could level it. A lot of blocks in it. That is how you start screws, and you can go through there and quickly get them in place. All right, go ahead. I'm going. Yeah, nothing, no other, nothing else to show you. You guys have a good day. Hippie out. Oh, this is the April 24th? Yeah, April 24th. I think I'm gonna start doing that, dating, telling you the dates. Day number 11 for us. And I'm just gonna count the days that I actually am working on here. There'll be days when we don't do stuff. Electricians will be here. I'm not counting those days. So You guys have a great day. Now, hippie out. Just want to show you guys what we did over here before we cover it up with plywood. Just because of previous damage and what we saw, we decided to put treated on the last 6 feet, 7 feet of this end of the room. All of the lumber, all of this is treated. All of that is treated. We put blocks, used our blocks to hang it so we could adjust it. Blocks in the center. These are tied in, either sitting on roofing and visqueen. Because of that row right there, it seemed a little squeaky. We decided to put an extra row of blocks. But let's see, starting this section going that way is not treated, and then this board going that way is treated, and then we start treated right there going that way. Got this in level. Used our laser. That's all secured. So I'm going to show you just, for you guys it'll be seconds, for us probably maybe an hour, and we'll have this top on.